Hi everyone. Today I will be going through what a random variable is and hopefully we'll get a bit of intuition around the topic. So I will be using the acronym RV throughout this whole thingy we're doing here. And yeah, I guess first thing to do would be to go through a bit of a definition. So a random variable is simply a variable whose value isn't known with 100% certainty. And we separate this in maths from standard deterministic variables through a change of notation. So if I go here and say a normal variable, I don't know, just normal x, and we'll say its value is 2. So here the value x is known for 100% certainty as being 2. It's been assigned to it. The value 2 has been assigned to x. However, in a random variable, we don't know its value for certain. So we actually give it a capital letter. So for example, here it might be big X. And what we do is there could be multiple values. So for example, here, let's say it could be a 2 or a 0. And let's say, and there will be some probability assigned with these values. So for a 2, let's say that its probability is 90%, and for a 0, let's say it is 10%. That is a random variable. So I think a good thing to do here is to go through an example. So let's go here, put an example in yellow. So a classic one that's frequently used in this domain is an unbiased coin flip. So in this scenario, before you actually flip the coin, you don't know what the value of the coin flip will be, right? It could be heads or it could be tails. Some people, I mean, if you really want to go into it, you could say it goes on the side, but it's just, let's just say heads or tails. So we can take the value of the coin flip as a random variable because again we don't know exactly what the value will be beforehand, so we can model it. And let's firstly initialize what the random variable will be. I'll call it v for value, and in particular this will be the value of an unbiased well, sorry for the handwriting, by the way, coin flip. And this again can take two values. It can be, let's go to here, it can either be a heads or a tails. Now, more precisely, it would actually be, and it would be useful to kind of encode these in numerical form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a heads maps to a 1, and a tail maps to a 0. And these can happen with probabilities of a half because it's an unbiased coin. And that is the random variable. We have encoded the uncertainty in the value of an unbiased coin flip. Now you could take other random variables in this scenario. So I don't know, for example, the sum of the values of 3 consecutive coin flips. That would also be a random variable because we are uncertain of that value. And yeah, I hope that this has given a little bit of intuition behind what a random variable is. And I'll see you next time.